Kani kadai ke Pati CTV.
Hanya kesengi ke seterek unok pra, kadai kesengi ke bahak kelang kiri ke pertai, kiken hon sang balang, mat kumjo ki bor sarkar. Kialap kerpang sekipat ba, halor ke jingpang HIV AIDS, ke balong kesengi ke balatip ru, kem ke World AIDS Day. Hakani ke jelaru la pelong ki program hakeleng, ya ke bangi layo, banding dor tangkat tu kan ni. Hakani ke jingre kie bala pelong ha Palau State Central Library, da ke Malaya AIDS Control Society. Lakring ye ki nong yesimenta, kam tam ki kena bagi samla, da ke bapelong ye ke jingre kop drodor. Hakaba bon ngot kinong drodor nakeleng ban nagi jai benre baper kila yesimenta.
So I'm currently taking part in this hand painting competition. It's about spreading awareness of HIV/AIDS. So as students, we're the next generation. So we're trying very hard to show our talents over here, as well as spreading awareness at the same time.
Nalor kejing kop drodor keladan ro kejing nok senyang ya kasnam. Pad hakani ke bentaru bon ngot ki breu kentop nadu ki balarang ba bat kumjo ki samla nagi jai benre baper kilawan chakmat ban senyang ya kasnam jongki.
I have come in this program from the Meghalaya Legal Services Authority, more precisely from District Services Legal Authority. I'm a legal aid. So I have come for this program for World AIDS Day. So I've come here, and blood donation, when our soldiers can give up their life, I can at least donate my blood so that it comes handy to some person. And if this blood goes to our soldiers who have sacrificed their life, I'll be the most happy person.
Kabenta ka bakat do jong ni kejera ke ka World AIDS Day. Kadai ke jelang hapo Sosotham Auditorium. Kirio shempang hi ki balawan chekani program kila senyang ki nongwan ni simenta. Lengba ke jing sam jong ki halor ke jing nang jing tep halor ke jing pang HIV AIDS. Lani ke jing pang nyang kulia. Kumno uni kunyang jingpang uyok bandrong hakamat jong umbreu bar hakano rukom banyada na kadi jingpang ke basar khai tam menta haborok ke perthai namar omla ban sumar nani penkhia wei ne kinong kran bakham kongsan hang ne ke jelang udai pastor PBM Basaiman.
I don't know whether it's discovered or not how we can kill this virus HIV, but the enthusiasm that was there in that girl in Lucknow made many of us who were there in that consultation in Lucknow more encouraged to take this intervention and engagement forward.
Kani kadai ke Pati CTV.